this bike feels quite a bit more aggressive with this setting of the 49 sprocket. We're coming around for our first lap here, a little spin. A little drift action. So with this one being a big snappier, it's actually almost over aggressive for how hard pack it is in some of the spots here with how tight it is. Which is making me ride a little bit inconsistent, I feel like. All right, we went a little faster down the hill that time. See if I can send it a little more here. This is probably the trickiest corner of the track, just because it loves to blow out. That was good right there, though. We got that corner way better that time. We were definitely faster, I believe. See if we can get a little creative for this lap. Jump all the way down. Oh, that was big. We're feeling spunky so far this one. I like that line better right there. Not that's a different line, but I'm able to really feather it with this sprocket. To end our third lap here. Oh, we came in hot right there. We had a 150.08. We were throwing down there.